Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a case of pyonephrosis with multiple renal stones and a large vesical stone. Pyonephrosis is a term used to an infection of the kidney with pus in the upper collecting system, which can progress to obstruction. There is accumulation of purulent debris and sediment in the renal pelvis. You can see the right kidney and it shows moderate hydronephrosis, but no hydroureter is seen. Pyonephrosis on ultrasound is seen as multiple echoes within a distended pelvic caudate system and results from pus, debris, or hemorrhage. Urothelial thickening is a fairly non-specific finding seen in infection. Now you can clearly see the collection of the pus, debris, and hemorrhage in the dilated pelvic caudate system. Pyonephrosis is suspected when clinical symptoms of fever and flank pain are combined with the radiological evidence of urinary tract obstruction. Debris in the upper collecting system on imaging raises even more suspicions. Again, you can see the presence of thick sludge, pus, debris in the collecting system. Pyonephrosis on ultrasound is seen as multiple echoes within a distended pelvic caudate system that develops from pus, debris, or hemorrhage. Now, ultrasound usually shows dilatation of the pelvic caudate system with some additional features. Echogenic debris in the collecting system is considered to be most reliable sign of this pyonephrosis. Fluid level within the collecting system, incomplete shadow of gas in the collecting system may occasionally be seen. Now you are going to see the left kidney, and here you will see a number of stones, multiple stones in the lower pole of the kidney with some dilatation of the pelvic caudate system and the loss of cortical thickness. You can see the stones. As this stone is not clearly focused here, you will see it from the behind. With the patient lying prone. Now you can see a clearer picture of the left kidney, and you can see a bunch of multiple stones is seen in the lower pole of the kidney, along with the stone in the middle portion of the kidney. Now you can see these are the stones in the lower pole of the kidney, and this stone lies in the middle portion of the kidney. Now the pyonephrosis, that is pus in the renal pelvis, results from urinary tract obstruction in the presence of pyelonephritis. Similar to an abscess, pyonephrosis is typically associated with fever, chills, and flank pain, although some patients may be asymptomatic. Pyelonephritis is another term used to describe the inflammation of the kidney, typically due to bacterial infection. Symptoms most often include fever and flank tenderness. Other symptoms may include nausea, burning with urination, and frequent urination. Complications may include pus around the kidney, sepsis, or kidney failure. Now, most common laboratory tests are performed to diagnose kidney infections, that is pyelonephritis. A urine sample is examined under a microscope to determine if white or red blood cells are present. The urine is also sent to lab to see if bacteria grow in the urine culture. Now you can see the unibladder and a large stone is seen lying in the base of the unibladder, and this stone measures about 36.6 millimeter, quite a large stone. A large amount of pus is also visible. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.